Hey guys, welcome to another video on how to fix medical equipment. We have a SurgiTel device which is used for the little flashlight for dentist people that work on your teeth. So we are going to replace the battery on this thing because we charge it up and it dies immediately after being used. So we got to make sure that it's always off, it's on, off. And there's 4 screws on the back that we need to remove. And to do that, all you need is a flat or Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. And I purchased a battery on eBay for, I would say, about 20 bucks. All right, guys, let's get to it. So you remove these 4 screws. Again, making sure that the power is off. Lift up the cover. It's okay if the screws fall out. Actually, I prefer for them to fall out. I always leave them in the. I always insert the same screws back in the same slots. There we go. And as you can tell, the connector is going to go in this way. So you just remove the old battery. Careful not to break or remove this the charging port. Alrighty. So move that part. You can see that the 2 little pins go closer on the bottom. Yep, same one. So we are going to there we go. There we go. Nice and snug. And reinsert the screws. And there you go. I'll replace, unfortunately I don't have the little light to test that it works, but pretty sure it works. I saw a service on eBay charging $200 to do this, and that's why I release these videos, so that the public knows how to fix these really expensive machines. So yeah, $200 just turned into a $20 job, real quick and easy. Thank you again for watching, and remember to subscribe if you want me to keep making more of these videos, and be safe out there. Bye.